Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to 英語英会話一日一言. Let's do some listening practice. Okay, so I'm going to say an English phrase and I want you to write it down on a piece of paper or your notebook. Are you ready? I'll say it twice. Here I go. The restroom is right down the hall. The restroom is right down the hall. Write it down and we'll talk about what it means. Okay, the phrase I said was, the restroom is right down the hall. The restroom is right down the hall. Okay, let's break it down. The phrase is a common way to give directions within buildings. Okay, and right in this context emphasizes immediacy or very close proximity. Down refers to direction along a passage or through an area. Okay, and hall is a term for a corridor. Well, it's a hall. It's hallway, shortened to hall. For corridor or passageway within a building. Okay, now let's try pronunciation. The restroom is right down the hall. Okay, again, notice how I put all the words together? Okay, let's try it together. The restroom is right down the hall. Once again, the restroom is right down the hall. Okay, now at normal speed. The restroom is right down the hall. The restroom is right down the hall. Okay, now let's talk about usage. For example, if someone enters your office building and asks where the bathroom is, you could use this phrase. Say, the restroom is right down the hall, on your left, just past the elevators. Okay, it's a straightforward, polite way to give directions. Okay, so now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever been asked for directions? How did you do? Were you able to tell them the way, the direction, or did you have some problems? Please share your stories in the comment section below. Okay, I'd love to hear your problems. Okay, that did not sound so nice, but I love to hear your success stories and failures. I love both of them, so please share them. Okay, anyway, thank you very much for watching. 英語英会話一日一言. I will keep uploading videos, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell thing, to receive my video notifications. And I will see you again. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like my videos too. Bye.